going on, guys? Left off with the Malibu, and right back here, same day. Gonna show you guys some other projects they got going on, and see what we'll be doing. This is like an '04 Polaris Magnum, and may not look like much, but it's been ticking for the last like 15 years. And this is gonna be one of the main projects this year. I'm going to be doing new valves, new top end, new bumpers and everything. I have wheels, tires, the rear tires are fine, 2-inch lift kit, a slip-on exhaust, some bars, and some other little things that I may need. So this is going to be one of the other main projects in here. Something simple and fun, and holy fucking bird shit, you're going to need a power wash. But yeah, this is that project. And then my other project is this boat. This is my tri-hull boat. Needs some interior done. Needs a new ignition, some new seats, and it has a 90 horse, I think, Johnson in it. I can't remember. I'm not even gonna pull it off, but this is gonna be my other project for the summer. So I have these two, plus the Malibu, plus I have another truck in the shop that I'll show you guys later. But this is going to be all redone on the outside, and then the motor is going to be gone through again, and then the motor and all the plastics. I'm getting rid of that box, and I'm putting a flat piece like the rear end on it. And last but not least is this mini chopper. I've had this thing for like 2 years. Me and my friend found it on the side of the road, and I want to put a 250 two-stroke engine in it and register it as a mini bike, because in Wisconsin you can ride these on the road as long as they're under 50 cc's, but they don't need to know that. So yeah, this is my other project. So we have these 3 projects for the summer, and note that I will be moving a lot, because in between stuff, this house is being sold, my grandparents' house. They've had it forever, but the videos will stop. There's gonna be a lot of things done, a lot of money showing around, and I can't wait for you guys to be along the way. Yeah, that's about it for this project. Display, or I don't even know what to fucking call it, but yeah. One more thing, shit box. Alright, call it shit box because front door handles don't work. Bumper's all fucked up. It's got cheap ass LED headlights. One of my hubcaps is missing. Ain't the best car, but probably gonna do something with this. Probably make some funny videos after I get all my other vehicles running, like that Chevy, my blue Chev that you guys will see in a later video. And yeah, so, but this will be my outro, I guess. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for those builds. I'm hoping to have a shop or my own garage within the next 3 months, so I'll be able to do everything in there and not have to be moving around and everything. But yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you guys give this video a like and subscribe to me. I'm really trying to get at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 100 to 500 views a week. Just something a little bit more simple for myself, and I'm just gonna keep making better and better content every day. So thanks again, guys.